Welcome to Case Study Series in Information Technology by Skilled MBA Co-Holdings Inc. Revolutionized residential services by integrating digital solutions. They streamlined operations, reducing reliance on manual processes. This digital transformation addressed urbanization challenges and rising consumer expectations, setting a new standard in the industry. The residential services industry faced fragmentation, with numerous small players operating independently. Manual processes dominated, with minimal digital adoption leading to inefficiencies. Urbanization and rising consumer expectations further pressured the industry, highlighting the urgent need for modernization and integration to meet evolving demands. The strategic approach involves vertical growth by digitizing the entire value chain, enhancing listings, agent operations, and customer experience. Horizontal connection extends services to home improvement and financing, ensuring seamless data integration across platforms. This comprehensive strategy modernizes the industry, aligning with evolving consumer expectations and technological advancements. Big data and artificial intelligence drive personalized service matching, enhancing property recommendations. Cloud infrastructure supports seamless real-time operations, allowing scalability with market demands. 5G and Internet of Things enable connected homes, integrating smart property features to elevate customer experiences. The Beike platform revolutionized the real estate industry. Manual property listings and paper-based contracts were replaced with digital management and electronic contracts. Agents now benefit from real-time market analytics and artificial intelligence-powered client matching, boosting productivity by 40% for over 500,000 agents. This transformation enhances market visibility and client engagement. Consumers benefit from reliable property data, transparent pricing, and honest reviews. Agencies gain operational efficiency and improve customer targeting through data insights. Property developers access qualified buyers and market intelligence for future projects. Governments enjoy increased transaction transparency and enhanced market oversight through data sharing. Beike's impact is evident with over 500,000 agents onboarded, actively utilizing the platform daily. It boasts 48 million monthly active users engaging with property listings. The digital transformation led to a 265% increase in successful transactions. An 87% trust rating highlights consumer confidence in the platform's integrity and data accuracy. The real estate industry evolved from opacity to transparency with Beike's platform. This transformation fostered trust, significantly boosting customer confidence. The shift enabled clearer property insights, enhancing decision-making for both agents and consumers. Artificial intelligence-driven scenario planning and predictive analytics are revolutionizing property investments in 2023-2024. By 2024-2025, advanced virtual reality, augmented reality tours, and remote transactions will expand nationwide. From 2025-2026, expect full lifecycle home ownership services and integrated smart home management systems, enhancing convenience and efficiency. Digital platforms can revolutionize offline industries by enhancing efficiency and customer engagement. Balancing innovation with stakeholder trust requires transparent communication and ethical practices. Scaling operations while personalizing customer journeys involves leveraging data analytics to tailor experiences without compromising efficiency. Data integration unified disparate systems, establishing a single source of truth for properties. Stakeholder alignment ensured agents, consumers, and developers all benefited, fostering multi-directional value creation. Process redesign involved reimagining workflows, not merely digitizing existing ones, to enhance efficiency and innovation. Trust is enhanced through technology, fostering stronger relationships. Multi-sided platforms generate network effects, amplifying value. Data transparency ensures mutual benefits for all stakeholders. Key Holdings' transformation principles extend to healthcare coordination, education delivery, and financial services integration, showcasing the broad applicability of these strategies across various sectors. Digital transformation transcends mere tool adoption. It involves reimagining entire value chains. Key Holdings exemplifies this by using data, connectivity, and artificial intelligence to revolutionize traditional service sectors. They didn't just digitize processes, they reinvented the residential services model, showcasing a profound shift in how services can be delivered and experienced. Identify a traditional industry in your region facing digitization challenges. Map its value chain, documenting processes and stakeholders while pinpointing inefficiencies. Propose a digital strategy to reimagine value creation, considering vertical and horizontal approaches. Submit your analysis for peer review in our learning community. Skilled MBA specializes in converting real business stories into impactful learning experiences. Our approach focuses on dissecting case studies to extract valuable insights, fostering a deeper understanding of business dynamics. For more information, reach us at support@skilledmba.com or visit our website at skilledmba.com.